It is smaller than your phone, yet it records the entire world around you in 8K clarity. Meet the camera that makes your GoPro feel outdated and your phone feel limited. Like, share, and subscribe. Because this new launch just flipped the action camera game upside down. This is the Insta360 X4 Air, a 165-gram 360-degree camera that captures every single angle in one shot. It is powered by dual 1x1.8-inch sensors, which means you get sharper details, better colors, and smoother low-light performance, all without needing bulky setups. The best part? You film first and choose your frame later. That is the magic of 360 video. But here is where it gets clever. The Invisible Selfie Stick still works. The stick literally vanishes from your footage, making your videos look like a flying drone is following you. It is waterproof up to 15 meters, has replaceable lenses, and can shoot 8K 360 video, 6K cinematic mode, and even 4K slow motion at 120 frames per second. You are getting pro-grade performance in a palm-sized body. That is wild. And while the flagship Insta360 X5 sits way higher in price, the X4 Air lands at just $400. That is less than half the cost, yet it delivers the same immersive 8K experience. It is not just cheaper, it is smarter, faster, and more portable. So here is the question. If 8K 360 video now fits in your pocket, what happens to traditional action cameras from here? Because if Insta360 can make this much power this affordable, then we might be looking at the future of portable filmmaking.